Most local businesses are losing an average of $2,400 every month, not because they don't have leads, but because they fail to follow up. It's a silent killer for gyms, dentists, salons, auto shops, and more. Now imagine offering them a solution that works 24/7, never calls in sick, and converts leads automatically. That's exactly what LocalAI Fleet does. LocalAI Fleet is a revolutionary AI-powered platform that turns agency owners and marketers into AI employee experts. In just 8 minutes, you can deploy a full AI system for any local business, complete with smart QR codes, AI-powered SMS follow-ups, mobile landing pages, and automated appointment booking, all without coding, hiring, or complicated tools. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick your client niche and enter some basic details. Step 2. Let the AI build everything your smart QR code, follow-up sequences, landing page, and more. Step 3. Deploy it and start getting results. One agency used this for a chiropractor and landed 47 new bookings worth $18,800 in 30 days. This isn't just automation. You're offering something every business wants. Someone who can make follow-up work without the tech headaches. You can charge $300 to $800 monthly retainers, manage multiple clients easily, and clone successful funnels across niches. With built-in lead finder tools, plug-and-play templates, and full commercial rights, you'll have everything you need to dominate your local market or scale virtually. Click the link in the description to secure your license while the launch deal is still active. Start onboarding clients today and become the AI employee expert. Local businesses can't live without. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.